It was an ominous sign for those hoping Wall Street had turned a corner in recent weeks. For the second straight day, U.S. stocks slid at the opening bell as the chaos in the oil markets weighed heavily on investors' minds, and apparently on the mind of the president as well. As the Dow lost nearly 500 points to kick off the trading day, President Donald Trump sent out a tweet promising financial support for U.S. oil producers. Monday's historic crash in the U.S. oil price, deep into negative territory, continued to send shockwaves on Tuesday, with other oil markets also falling. Brent crude, the international benchmark, dropped to its lowest price since 2002. The problems are many. First, too much oil is being produced, much of it sitting in oil tanker ships offshore with nowhere to go.
The amount of volume of oil that is kept in storage needs to be consumed first before the new production can be brought into consumption, into the consumption that is existing right now. So we are looking at years from now before we can see a normalization.
And with uncertainty about coronavirus and no vaccine or proven treatment on the horizon, the market remains uncertain. It was barely a week ago a record deal to cut production by oil-producing countries, including recent rivals Saudi Arabia and Russia. It was meant to alleviate the pressure on prices, but it clearly didn't work. It's another blow to President Trump, a keen backer of the U.S. oil industry in Texas, Louisiana, and North Dakota, all states Trump won in the last election. The future outlook for oil remains poor. Crude is traded based on speculative pricing, meaning how much traders think oil will be worth at any given point in the future. On Tuesday, the futures market for U.S. oil in June dropped to under $10 a barrel. With the U.S. economy still shut down, nobody driving to work, flying, or traveling, and a realization that it will remain like this for weeks, if not months to come. Gabriel Elizondo, Al Jazeera, New York.